Watermelon. Wow! Madami, 25 kilos nga. Wow! Yummy, yummy. Walang ano. Yung sa mga feeds, wala. 3 watermelons. Wow. Thank you, Lord. Namigay na din tayo sa mga kapitbahay. Ayan. Perks of living in the province, guys. Free watermelons. Wow, yan na, ito sa'yo, yan na,
Ito bin,
yan na,
bitawan mo na yan.
wow. Oh, yan na, Is it yummy, Bean? Is it sweet?
Yeah.
Mm.
Sige, ate.
Mm. Lumaliit, no? Yan na.
Even better. Even better.
Yummy. Mm. Mm. Sweet. Mm.
You mean sweet? This is sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet.
So yummy.
Yan na.
It's even better than the melon.